In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Comet AI browser on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so probably the fastest way to do this is just to do a search for Comet AI and then click on Comet Browser, a personal AI assistant from perplexity.ai. Now this is going to take you over to the download section. So here we go here, the browser that works for you, download Comet. So go ahead and click onto that and that should start your download. So there it is, it's finished downloading. So it's 14 megabytes in size. So once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it up. And then I'm just going to minimize the back. Now, welcome to Comet. Get ready to browse with intelligence. So go ahead and click on that start install button. Now this is going to go ahead and download more content to start the installation. So you just give that a few moments to do its thing. Now, after all that, it should say installation complete. So go ahead and click on launch Comet. And now that's it there, installed. So I hope this video helped you out, and please subscribe or like this video.